For today's challenge nomination, I nominate Nena and Sylvia to do the 25-day challenge, 25 push-ups. Let's do this. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe and enjoy this funny video. Wait, a little joke for you.
You have boyfriend? No, I don't have a boyfriend. Honey, why you don't have? You look so pretty, like model, cheerleader, something pretty. You like long or short nails? Short nails. Oh, honey, that's why you don't have them.
Welcome back, everybody. It's been a while, but I hope that you enjoyed these small clips that I've put together today for you. This is TikTok for you today, and I hope it puts a smile on your face, maybe even a little laughter.
Baby,